Well, summer is here. The kids are home from school doing who knows what. The heat is scorching your lawn as you are trying to barbecue. In today's video, we're going to be talking about some cool gadgets for automating your summer activities. So stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So we're going to be talking about products and home automation ideas to help you get through the summer a little bit easier. Now, I'm not going to go too in depth into any of the automation ideas. These are just ideas to get your mind going on things that you can use around your house. But let me know in the comments below what your favorite ideas and or products are. Now, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos like this one. With that said, let's get started. Okay, when I hear summer, the first thing I think of is scorching heat. Anywhere into the high 90s up into the hundreds is just brutal when you are outside. So it is always nice to come into a nice, cool house. Picking up a smart thermostat is a great way to keep your house cool and to be able to control that temperature when you're not home. I've got the ecobee smart thermostat with their sensors around my house, so when it picks up the presence of somebody in a specific room, it can adjust my comfort temperature to that specific person. Also, if we are out for the day and I don't want to be running my air conditioner and then I know that we're going to be heading home, it's nice to always turn on the air so that way it's nice and cool when we get home. Now, another cool product that can help keep down the heat in your house are automatic window shades. These are going to be shades that you can mount on the outside of your house that will prevent the sun from even hitting your window. Now, you can get some that are see-through, some that are completely blacked out. And the cool thing about these is that if you can't get one that is fully automated into your system, as long as you get one with an IR remote, you can get a Broadlink IR blaster that can replace your remote. And essentially what that is going to do is it's going to allow you to automate those shades. You can then set it up in the Broadlink hub and then set up different automations to bring those shades up and down. Now, if you're looking to cover more than just a window, an awning is an awesome way to go. It's essentially a patio cover that you can put out and bring back in when you want it. My neighbor picked up one of these last year from Costco and he absolutely loves it. And I'm actually looking at getting one this year. Not only does it come with a remote so you can automate it just like the window shade, but it actually comes in with a built-in wind sensor. So if you have it out and it starts getting windy, it'll automatically bring that shade in for you. All right, now let's talk about lawn irrigation. You're gonna need to water your plants more in the heat of the summer than you did in the winter. But are you adjusting that manually, or does your timer automatically adjust that for you? A few months ago, I set up the Beehive XR that controls and automates all of that for me. They sell catch cups which collect water, and it's gonna help to show if you are overwatering or not. It also syncs up to your local weather forecast. So if rain is coming, it can turn your system off so you're not overwatering. And it has their smart watering technology built in. So as days get warmer, it's going to up the frequency of the water. And when it gets cool in the winter, it'll automatically tone down the watering on my different plants. It is a great product for monitoring the different zones in your yard and making sure everything is getting enough water. If you don't have a full-blown irrigation system, Orbit also sells a smart hose timer. This is something you can just hook up to your faucet and allow the timer to control a drip system going to any of your plants. You can also attach this to your phone through the app so you can control all of this stuff through the app. This way, whether you're home or away, your plants can get watered on a regular schedule. Now, one of my favorite things to do in summer is barbecue. I probably barbecue 3 to 4 nights out of the week. And between my Traeger smoker and my propane grill, I've got a lot of different options for cooking. The cool thing about the Traeger is that it does sync up with my phone, so I can control everything I need to from the app. Whether that is setting the temperatures, controlling the timers, we've also got a probe built into it so I can check the internal temperature of my meat, whether I'm cooking a brisket or ribs. I can monitor those temperatures from the app. Once it hits the temperature and if I am not around, I can always set the temperature to warm to keep my food warm until I'm ready to eat it. But smoking meat is not for everybody. What if you want the convenience of being able to monitor your food on your normal gas grill? Well, you can do that with the Weber Connect. This allows you to get 4 probes into 4 different pieces of meat, monitoring the internal temperature so you know when it is perfectly cooked. Now, once you have your temperature probes in your meat thrown on the grill and you're monitoring it on your phone, under your awning with a beer in your hand, where the heck are the kids? If you have got older kids that are just running around during summer where they're old enough to go off and play with their friends, but maybe not old enough to where you fully trust them, something that you can do is put geofencing on their phones or give them something like an Apple AirTag. Something where you can let them be free and go run off and do whatever they want, but have the peace of mind of knowing where they are. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing this without them knowing. Probably let them know that you will be keeping an eye on where they are. Go out and have fun and not get in trouble, and this gives you a little bit of peace of mind of knowing where they're at. Now your evening is winding down and coming to an end. It's starting to get dark outside, and now let's talk about some lighting. There are tons of different smart lights out there, from floodlights to light bulbs to light strips, and I did a full video on lighting, which I can link above for you guys to check out. But to quickly cover it, I mostly use lights from Novastella and Govee. They've got some amazing lights that are multicolored. It's going to allow you to control those through the app, so you can turn them on and off, change colors, set up schedules and routines. But unfortunately, not all the lights in my yard are smart lights. I bought a string of Costco lights, which I feel like most of my neighbors did, and those are not smart lights. They have to be plugged in every single time or switch turned on and off. So you can always get an outdoor smart plug to automate those lights, turn them on and off. Or what I did is I picked up a Casa light strip. This is a light strip where each individual plug is controlled separately from each other. So if I've got light strips and floodlights and things that are not smart, I can plug them into this power strip, put it into a weathered sealed box. That's one that I picked up from Home Depot. And this is going to allow me to integrate my traditional dumb lights into my smart home ecosystem. From there, I can trigger them with a motion sensor or a door sensor to automatically turn on my lights at certain times of day to certain colors. There are lots of different options. Well, that is all I have for this video. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. Also, if you know of any products or automation ideas, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to thank everyone who supports me on Patreon. I truly do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.
Uh-oh, okay, I miss it's on fire, but pull it up.
Pull it up. It's on fire. It's on fire.
Yummy.
Just a far shot.
Yummy.
It's yummy.